Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are safe and healthy. Now it's prayer time, so join your hands and close your eyes. Dear God, please keep me happy today. Dear God, please keep me happy today. Help me to be bright and kind. Help me to be bright and kind. My parents, teachers, and friends do bless. My parents, teachers, and friends do bless and keep us all in happiness and keep us all in happiness and keep us all in happiness. Now meditation time. So let's meditate. And now study time, and first lecture is of Hindi, and in Hindi today we will do one activity related to E की मात्रा, बड़ी की मात्रा, okay, which is मिलान करो. So for that take out your Hindi notebook and write date and day on top, and date is 25th of September 2020 and day is Friday. FRIDAY Friday. और फ्राइडे को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? शुक्रवार. श उ क र व आर शुक्रवार. Okay? And after this you have to write topic which is मिलान करो. म इ ल आ न मिलान कर ओ कर. And in this activity we have to recognize the picture first and then we will match the picture with the spelling. Okay, like first picture is a ladki. Which picture is this? Ladki. And what is the spelling of ladki? Ladakai, ladki. Ladakai, ladki. So we will match the picture with the correct spelling. Okay. And next picture is a ghadi. Which picture is this? Ghadi. And what is the spelling of ghadi? Ghadai, ghadi. Ghadai, ghadi. So we will match the picture with correct spelling. Okay. And next picture is a cheetah. Which picture is this? Cheetah. And what is the spelling of cheetah? Cheetah. 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 So we will match the picture with the correct spelling. Okay, like this. And next picture is a papita. Which picture is this? Papita. And what is the spelling of papita? Pa-pa-i-ta-a. Pa-pa-i-ta-a. Papita. So we will match the picture with the correct spelling. Okay. Now moving on to next picture, which is of chabi. Which picture is this? Chabi. And what is the spelling of chabi? Ch-a-b-e, chabi. Ch-a-b-e, chabi. So we will match the picture with the correct spelling. Okay. And next picture is of city. Which picture is this? City. And what is the spelling of city? S-E-T-E. S-E-T-E. City. So we will match the picture with the correct spelling. Okay. And next picture is of hathi. Which picture is this? Hathi. And what is the spelling of hathi? H-A-Th-E. H-A-Th-E. Hathi. Ha-th-E. Hathi. So we will match the picture with the correct spelling. Okay. And last picture is of machli. Which picture is this? Machli. And what is the spelling of machli? Machalai. Machli. Machalai. Machli. So we will match the picture with the correct spelling. Okay. So children, this is your Hindi work. Okay. Moving on to next lecture, which is of GK. And in GK today we will learn some questions related to chapter birds. Okay. So for that, take out your GK and conversation book and open page number 19. Okay. So let's start with first question, which is our national bird? Which is our national bird? And the answer is the peacock is our national bird. The peacock is our national bird. I repeat again, which is our national bird? And the answer is the peacock is our national bird. Okay. And next question is, which bird cannot see in the daylight? Which bird cannot see in the daylight? And the answer is the owl cannot see in the daylight. I repeat, cannot see in the daylight. Okay. And next question is, which bird catches fish from water? Which bird catches fish from water? And the answer is the crane catches fish from water. I repeat again, the crane catches fish from water. Okay. And next question is, which bird can mimic human speech? Which bird can mimic human speech? And the answer is the parrot can mimic human speech. I repeat again, the parrot can mimic human speech. Okay. And the next question is, which birds swim in water? Which birds swim in water? And the answer is swans, ducks, and penguins swim in water. Okay, I repeat again. Swans, ducks, and penguins swim in water. Okay, and last question is, which bird is called the singing bird? Which bird is called the singing bird? And the answer is, the cuckoo is called the singing bird. I repeat again. The cuckoo is called the singing bird. The cuckoo is called the singing bird. Okay? So this is your oral work and you have to learn these questions thoroughly. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay healthy.